Iran has hit Israel with a dig. Israel ran to daddy. That's the dig that has come in. Iran hits Israel with a daddy jibe, saying that Israel went running to daddy. That's the response that has come in from Iran. Remember, Iran has said that it has had victory in the war against Israel. And Tehran says that it will not tolerate these threats and has asked for respect to the supreme leader of Iran. Let's take a look at what the foreign minister of Iran has said. Syed Abbas Araghchi has said, the complexity and tenacity of Iranians is famously known in our magnificent carpets, woven through countless hours of hard work and patience. But as people, our basic premise is very simple and straightforward. We know our worth, value our independence, and never allow anyone else to decide our destiny. If President Trump, and he's talking about Trump directly in his social media message, he says, if President Trump is genuine about wanting a deal, he should put aside the disrespectful and unacceptable tone towards Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Khamenei, and stop hurting his millions of heartfelt followers. The great and powerful Iranian people who showed the world that the Israeli regime had no choice but to run to daddy to avoid being flattened by our missiles, do not take kindly to threats and insults. If illusions lead to worse mistakes, Iran will not hesitate to unveil its real capabilities, which will certainly end any delusion about the power of Iran. Now, that's a curious statement that has come in from Iran. So, Rishabh, while taking a dig at Israel and saying that it went running to daddy, Iran is also seeming to suggest of its real capability, and it says that that entire talk around what the capability of Iran will end if Iran actually decides to strike.
Well, if we talk about Iran till now maintained that not much has been harmed in the three key nuclear sites that US has bombed, and Iran further says that, they have the capability to hit back. Right now they are entering into a deal with Israel and US for a ceasefire. The ceasefire has been imposed right now, but if disrespect comes Iran's way, Iran will not hesitate to respond. And this daddy word has come in from NATO, where the NATO Secretary General used this term for President Trump. Now Iran is using this term to actually take a dig at Israel as well as the United States, saying that come what may, if you disrespect us, we'll hit back, and we'll hit back really hard.
Okay, all right, Rishabh, thank you for joining us with those details. Curious statement being made by Iran.